Example number 9. A chemist has 300 grams of 20% hydrochloric acid solution. He wishes to drain some off and replace it with an 80% solution so as to obtain a 25% solution. How many grams must he drain and replace with the 80% solution? So this problem number 9 has a similarity with our previous example, example number 8 to be specific. Okay, so let's get our mixture table. So originally our mixture table only have two mixture. Since we drain and we add, so the mixture here will become 3. Okay, doing that, we have 3 mixture. So we have the first mixture, the original amount. Then we replace it, we drain off with the second mixture, and we add the same mixture but at the different percentage. So that is our third mixture. Okay, so let's get it on. So let's get the data. So original mixture, what is the original amount? So we have 300 grams. So the amount here is in grams. The original amount is 300 grams. So what is the percentage of our 300 grams? Of 20% hydrochloric acid. So 20%. So we drain some of. He wishes to drain some of and replace it with 80% solution. So, of course, what we drain, this is still the same here. So, 20% here. So, the amount, that is not defined. So, we'll start it with unknown. So, whatever you deduct, so that should be the amount you add. Of course, that is still X. But, here, we replace it with an 80% solution. Okay, so this is 80% solution. So finally, so x x, so eliminate x here. So still the original uh, amount, 300 grams. Okay, but he wishes to obtain, yes, that is 25. He wishes to obtain a 25 solution of 300 grams. So the output of draining and adding is 25% solution na. Okay, from here, we can formulate our equation. So here, so we multiply the amount, grams, times the percentage. Okay, so 300 times 20%, that is 60. So this will become minus, so 0.20x plus 0.80x is equal to 300 times 25%, that is 75. So it's very obvious that we can solve our Rx. Use the power of your calculator, shift solve. Okay, so we'll input the equation 60 minus 0.20x plus 0.80x equal to 75. Shift solve. Our answer is x is equal to 25. So what is the unit of our x? That is in grams. Okay. So that is the amount you need to deduct with the 300 at 20% solution. Then you add at 80% solution in order for you to have a 300 hydrochloric acid at 25% solution. Okay, so equation. So I hope you comprehend. So I think you're ready with our supplementary problems. Okay, so let's move to our supplement problem number 1.